In this video, we will learn how to grab DOM elements, add event listeners, create and remove HTML dynamically. Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Learn JavaScript. In today's tutorial, we're going to build a simple to-do list app using only vanilla JavaScript, no frameworks, no libraries. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create, display, and delete tasks using JavaScript. Let's dive in. First, let's set up a basic HTML file. We'll need 1. An input field for adding tasks. 2. A button to submit the task. 3. A list where tasks will appear. Let's go! Now let's see the result in the browser. As you can see, we have created a web page with a large title and input field and button. If you click the button, nothing gonna happen because we didn't add the JavaScript yet. Now let's jump into our JS file. We need to grab references to our input, button, and list. Now let's make the Add button work. When the button clicked, it will create a new list item. Add the text from the input field, append it to the list. Now go to the browser and type anything and click the button and do it again and again. Notice that the text display as a list with a delete button. If you click the delete button, the text will disappear. Now our app can add and delete tasks. We can improve it, so we will do the following. Add some style and that's it, we've finished the job. As you can see, the final result is satisfying. And that's it! We just built a fully working to-do list app using only JavaScript. We learned how to grab DOM elements, add event listeners, create and remove HTML dynamically. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments section, what project should I build next? See you in the next tutorial.